Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, guys, we are going to wash our dishes. This is my kitchen right now. So, yeah, let's wash our dishes. Don't mind about my kitchen, alright? Yes, we are going to wash our utensil. This is my kitchen. This is my utensil, guys. And thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Share my video, subscribe. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Now let's wash our dishes. All right. Yes. Tunaenda haraka haraka, masaa nayo imekimbia kukimbia. Hata nakuweka marathon. Very fast. Very fast. Sababu masaa nayo mbaya. Subscribe wewe. Subscribe. Nani sasa? Why? Make sure you subscribe. Sawa? You like, you share. Alright? You subscribe and you share. And down below. Tunawaambia subscribe. Kufanya tu hiyo tu ya red hiyo. Ita kidude. Finya, you subscribe. Yes. You share. You subscribe. You share. We are almost done. Utensil done. Done. Everything done. We are almost done. We are almost done. Cheki tu. Cheki tu wewe. Cheki. Almost. Cheki tu. Cheki venye hiyo kitchen imeomoka. Vile tu imeomoka guys. Hebu cheki. Zoom tu. Yeah. Process tu ya kuzipanga. Kuzipanga sasa tumalizie. Cheki tu wewe. Hizi ni mwecheche hii. Hii ni mwecheche. Everything is done. Done. Cheki tumejaribu. Bye bye.